Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take a moment to talk with you about your final exam for history in the MiniMester. The final exam is going to be open notes. However, there is a caveat, and that is that the notes be handwritten. If you'll notice on the screen, I have the review topics that are on the final exam, and so what you're going to do is you'll get a sheet of paper and on that paper, write the Great Depression causes, and then you'll go to your notes. If you look here, you see that I have the Great Depression PowerPoint open. It should have been downloaded on your computer already when you did the assignment. And so what you'll do is go to the Find tool. This is a really useful way to find information quickly because there are so many PowerPoints and there's so much information, so it streamlines it a bit more than searching through the book or slide by slide. So I'm going to type in causes because the first item on the review topic is causes for the Great Depression. If I type in causes, it goes to the very first slide, and look at there, it is causes of the Great Depression. And so there I'm telling you what the three causes are. So if you go back to this, you would write those three causes. When you finish that, skip a line. And then do effects. And same thing, you would go to the PowerPoint and you would search some of the effects of the Great Depression. Now, this has every possible topic that could be on your test. I actually haven't decided how many questions are on the test, but the number of questions on the exam will determine how long you're given to take the test. Because it is open notes, there will be a hard timed cutoff. You won't be able to start and stop. That you will have a certain number of minutes, and at the end of those minutes, it will submit your test for you. And that's because obviously, if you had 5 hours, then you don't have to know the information at all. You could just search for each one rather than learning any of the information. So, I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope that eases a little bit of frustration. Or anxiety, I guess I should say. So if you have any questions or anything you're not sure of on the final review topics or the final exam, please let me know. There will be nothing on the test that isn't on this paper. And I will continue to update you periodically, but I encourage you to go ahead and start completing these review topics, because when you do that, give yourself plenty of time, you're more likely to have the most notes at your fingertips when it's time to take that test.